Hi Ray, I've got a little bit of an issue that I've updated the videos that are in Slider Revolution homepage slider, the ones that you have worked on so that videos aren't loading unnecessarily on the homepage. The issue is that these videos, I've updated them, and what I did was, so I've got desktop here, created a new video, and I double clicked on the add video layer, and I chose from the library a new video. This has broken your work, I'm pretty sure. So, and I can't seem to turn it back. What I did was I've now, so 2018-6, that is still as it was before now. So I've reverted it. And what I've done is I have updated these three files, which the Slider Revolution uses. So the date modified on them will all be today. And the Slider Revolution is reverted back to the way that it was. But obviously I'm creating this video because it still doesn't work. So something's amiss in the database. I can't revert the website or the database because you've made some changes. So I need you to have a look at it. So yeah, over to you. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.